Hello friends, this is Rubia. Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, yes, again my face, I am without makeup, and yes, I don't feel shy coming on camera without makeup because yes, this is how I am, and I like to portray myself, my true natural thing. Okay, anyways, if you guys are following me on Instagram, then you guys already know I have been on back-to-back trips and a lot of fun and a lot of outdoor things after really long time. Like due to COVID, I have been at home for many days. So this time I had to go out and have fun by like it was much needed. For the people who are staying at home, just a tip that just go outside, go for a walk, just go out of your home. Like अभी कोविड की वजह से ना सबको आदत लग गई है घर पे बैठने की एंड बाहर निकलने की आदत ही नहीं है. सो वंस यू लीव योर होम यू फील रियली गुड, योर मेंटल हेल्थ इज गुड एंड अ लॉट ऑफ पॉजिटिव थिंग्स हैपन इन योर माइंड एंड यू गेट अ लॉट ऑफ क्लैरिटी इन योर लाइफ. That's what I have observed. Okay, just my personal opinion and personal tip to you guys. Okay, so since I have been outside at a lot of places and a lot of things, so I thought my skin has become dry, tan, and my hair has damaged, I feel, and a lot of things have happened. So I just quickly do a short pamper session since it's a weekend again, a Sunday. So I'll do that and just talk with you guys about life updates, like where I have been, and you have seen my vlogs. And for the people who haven't followed me on Instagram, just go and follow. I update over there like almost everything. And if you haven't watched my previous vlog, just go and watch after watching this video. So without wasting time, let's go into the video. Okay guys, so first thing I'll do is my hair because hair को रखने के लिए ज़्यादा time लगता है. Now for hair, I can use a lot of mask and a lot of things. I do have mask, like बहुत सारे mask, hair mask already है, but you guys, if you guys know me, you know me that कितने भी hair mask हो जाए, मैं at the end आती तो दही पे ही हूँ. So yes, dahi is something I trust a lot, and yes, it's a curd. I have a complete tutorial of this. I'll put that link of that video in the description box, so just go and watch. So for now, yes, I'll just apply dahi on my hair and on my scalp, and yes, it literally makes my hair feel good and amazing. So yes, now life update. So first thing, where I have been. So on first weekend I went to Surat, and at Surat you guys must have already seen on my Instagram. If not, I'll put the pictures and everything over here on the screen. So at Surat when I went, I especially went for rebounds. Yes, there is a trampoline and something which I enjoy and something of my type. So I went with my cousin and I literally enjoyed. So if you want to go, you can just search on Google rebounds and you'll get the address and everything. And if you ask me about the rates, so it was 650 for 1 hour and 50 rupees extra for socks. So in short 700 rupees. And bowling का अलग से था, मैंने bowling भी किया था. So yes, that's it. And if you are looking for some similar, there are a lot of other similar places as well at Surat. You can just Google it because मुझे नहीं पता है. I stay here at Mumbai, and if you are asking something similar at Mumbai, so Mumbai में यहाँ पे मलाड में Infinity Mall में there is something known as Bounce. You can go there. I don't know the rates, but obviously rates are high than Surat. So if you want, you can visit there. Both the things are really different. I have been at both the places, and even at Smash there is a trampoline park with those sponge boxes and everything, but that's only trampoline. And bounce and rebounds में at Surat and at Malad there are a lot of other activities as well, so you'll have more fun. And अगर Smash में ज़्यादा बना भी होगा, then I don't know because I have been with my friend like since 5 years back. I guess 5 years back or 4 years back. So अभी चेंज हो गया रहेगा तो I have literally no idea. Yes, ये दही लगाने से बहुत सारे benefits होते हैं, I know. And I know I'm looking bad, but this is what I do. Actually I do after trips. Like वो बहुत ज़रूरी हो जाता है. हम लोग इधर फंक्शन में जाते हैं, उसके पहले हम लोग सब करते हैं, तैयार व्यार होते हैं, वो अलग चीज़ है. लेकिन after damaging everything, it is very necessary to take care of your hair and skin. So this is why I have been filming this video, especially to tell you guys that taking care after you come from somewhere or after you do makeup, it is very very necessary. Like makeup करने के बाद हम लोग रात को moisturizer लगा के ही सोते हैं. Similarly, after coming from trips, all these extra care is necessary because it will again recover somewhat all of the damage which is done already. And yes, मैं pool में भी गई थी, तो pool के वजह से chlorine water is really bad, so it is necessary. Okay, next week I went to Ocean Hill Resort, which is really nearby, near Mumbai, and you can again Google it and you can see my vlog. And for the people who are asking me rates, yes, so the rates were 2000 rupees with food and with everything like stay, food, pool and all the games which we are playing, everything was included. So it is really a budget friendly resort, and I literally enjoyed it. Like हम लोग कॉलेज के टाइम पे जाते थे एंड इट वॉज रियली फन. लाइक वन डे इज इनफ टू हैव फन एंड टू हैव अ ब्रेक फ्रॉम योर डेली लाइफ. Now the next thing is, yes, when I went to Surat, I learned to drive bike. एंड अब तक मुझे क्या लगता था, आई वॉज थिंकिंग कि बाइक बहुत हैवी होता है, एंड येस डेफिनेटली इट इज़ वेरी हैवी टू हैंडल. लाइक फॉर द पर्सन लाइक मी, लाइक मेरे वजन से डबल से ज़्यादा तो वजन वो बाइक का होता है. सो यू कैन इमेजिन वो कितना डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. बट फॉर मी इट वॉज लिटिल ईजी बिकॉज आई हैव बीन ड्राइविंग एक्टिवा सिंस लास्ट I guess 10 to 12 years, and I have been driving car since exactly 6 to 7 years. So दोनों का मुझे बहुत practice है. So it was little easy for me to learn, but yes, practice makes man perfect. तो अभी भी मैं practice ही कर रही हूँ. मैं एकदम traffic में नहीं लेके गई हूँ. You know Mumbai traffics, but खाली road पे या तो फिर a road with less traffic or without signal, I can definitely drive. So yes, this is the update I have learned, and this is something a tick on my wish list. तो एक चीज़ हो गया. So in short, if you are wondering to learn bike, so किसी को पकड़ो, जाओ बाहर जिसके पास बाइक हो और उनको बोलो सिखाए, and just give it a try. Yes, it may be difficult, but yes, if you know Activa and car, then you must give it a try for bike. Yes, you must give it a try, and don't forget to wear helmet. Helmet is very very important. Next and major, again a tick on my wish list, is that a smartwatch which I have got from Fossil, and the watch is really amazing. Like this was something on my wish list since many days, and yes, it's really amazing. But guys, I want to really highlight this thing and want to tell you guys that, just hold on, I'll just finish with this hair. Okay guys, so done with my hair thing. For my face, yes, I have a lot of face mask already at home. ब्रांड से आए रहते हैं वो सब है, but yes, this is something I like, and I have even reviewed this Plum face mask, and it is nice, so I thought to use this today on my face. And if you guys don't have any of the face mask, you can just DIY it. I have a separate video of that as well. सब मिक्स करके घर का सामान, वो सब भी बहुत हेल्दी होता है for your skin. You can just go and watch that video as well, link given in the description box. So for today I have been using this Plum face mask, which is of green tea. Yeah. Now the important thing which I want to tell you guys is that whenever we influencers or we bloggers buy anything, purchase anything expensive, so there are two things. It's either sponsored by a brand or it is something which we have bought it. So वो सब चीज़ें देख के ना, don't go and tell your parents that even you want this thing, work hard for that. See, I'll explain you how. फर्स्ट थिंग, अगर ब्रांड स्पॉन्सर करिए तो कोई भी ब्रांड ऐसे तो स्पॉन्सर नहीं करने वाली है. ऑब्वियसली वी मस्ट हैव वर्क समथिंग हार्ड फॉर दैट थिंग. तो ऐसे ही वो फ्री का प्रोडक्ट दिखता है, लेकिन BTS बिहाइंड द सीन्स बहुत सारी चीज़ें रहती है जो हम लोग ने वर्क हार्ड की रहती है. वी हैव डन अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. That's why we are capable enough to get that sponsorship from that brand. That's the first thing. So even you can do that thing. So just motivate yourself and do hard work. नाउ द सेकेंड थिंग, अगर हम लोग कोई भी चीज़ परचेस कर रहे हैं जो एक्सपेंसिव है, सो इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज अ ब्लॉगर और अ इन्फ्लुएंसर इज रिच, बट इट इज़ समथिंग वो प्लानिंग किया हुआ रहता है. सिंस आई हैव बॉट अ वॉच, तो इसका प्लानिंग लास्ट यू डोंट नो 6-7 months 10 months और इधर 1 year से प्लानिंग हो रहा होगा, तब भी जाके मैंने वो चीज़ ली है. सो इट्स ऑलवेज, वो ऐसे ही हम लोग इम्पल्सिव बाय नहीं करते हैं, इट्स ऑलवेज प्लानिंग बिहाइंड दैट. सो यू गाइज डोंट गेट दैट मच इन्फ्लुएंस कि आगे पेरेंट्स को बोलो या तो फिर किसी को भी जाके डोंट आस्क फॉर दैट थिंग, जस्ट गो एंड वर्क हार्ड फॉर दैट. इवन यू कैन afford that thing, even you can work hard for that thing. So just keep your aims in that direction. ऐसा नहीं कि इसने लिया है तो मुझे भी चाहिए. No, never ever do that thing. Always remember, it's always hard work done behind that thing. See, मैंने इंस्टा पे भी डाला था, I have been working since I was 16 years. तो वो बहुत सारी चीज़ें रहती है जो मैंने सीखी रहती है. इट्स ऑलवेज एडजस्टमेंट्स, इट्स ऑलवेज प्लानिंग बिफोर बाइंग एनी डैम थिंग. हम लोग भी रिच नहीं है कि भाई बैंक में इतने सारे पैसे पड़े, मन किया जाके ले लिया, ऐसा नहीं होता है. कम टू रियलिटी. ओके, बहुत ज्ञान की बातें कर ली, बट दिस वॉज रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट. एंड ये चीज़ का मैं हमेशा ध्यान रखती हूँ. इवन मैं मिरर सेल्फीज़ लेती हूँ ना, यू वोंट इमेजिन दिस थिंग. पता नहीं वो सबको लगता रहेगा कि मिरर सेल्फी लेती है आईफोन दिखाने के लिए. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं. आई ऑलवेज हाइड द लोगो विथ माई हैंड वेन एवर आई टेक अ मिरर सेल्फी, सो दैट किसी और को टॉक्सिक फील ना हो. येस, दिस इज़ हाउ आई थिंक एंड दिस इज़ हाउ आई एम. बिकॉज वो जो भी है, सबका लाइफ अलग अलग होता है एंड एवरी वन हैज़ बीन थ्रू अ डिफरेंट जर्नी. So it's okay, don't just pressurize yourself for anything. Be happy and be grateful for whatever you have, and yes, plan to grow more in life खुद के दम पे. Yeah, बहुत ज्ञान की बातें हो गई, but yes, your mental health is really very important. That's something which you should prioritize and keep focus on. Now the next thing lately I am doing in my life is reading a book, Think and Grow Rich. So I don't know how the book is. This is my second book ever in my life, but ठीक है, to grow in life you have to keep on learning new things and trying and experimenting new things. So yes, I am trying to read book. Yes, I am not a book person as always. You guys know me. मैं books नहीं पढ़ पाती हूँ. एक book life में मैंने पढ़ा है, Good Vibes Good Life. मुझे अच्छा लगा, so I thought to give it a try to another book as well. लेकिन नहीं हो पा रहा है मुझे. I don't know, I forget to read. It's something like I am not a book person, but yes, I am trying myself hard towards that. Now let's come back to skin and hair and everything. So yes, स्किन पे तो मैं ये लगा रही हूँ, हेयर पे भी. नाउ व्हाट ऑन बॉडी भी टैन हो ही जाता है. सो बॉडी के लिए सेम ओल्ड DIY स्क्रब जो मैंने वीडियो बनाया, आई विल बी यूजिंग दैट. और एल्स मैं तो हमेशा वैसे ही फुल स्लीव्स और फुल पहन के जाती हूँ ताकि मेरी स्किन ख़राब ना हो. यू मस्ट हैव सीन ऑन पिक्चर्स एज वेल. वो ब्लैक फुल टी-शर्ट है एंड फुल ट्रैक पैंट है पिंक कलर का. सो दैट्स द रीज़न आई वेयर दैट थिंग. एंड पूल में क्लोरीन से कांटेक्ट होता है तो वो टैन कुछ ना कुछ तो होता ही है स्किन को. सो स्क्रबिंग योर स्किन इज़ गुड वंस आफ्टर यू रिटर्न फ्रॉम अ ट्रिप. सो आई विल बी यूजिंग दैट कॉफ़ी स्क्रब. आई विल इंक्लूड द पिक्चर ओवर हेयर, जो अभी एक्चुअली में ख़त्म हो गया है, मैंने ऑर्डर किया है. सो आई विल बी यूजिंग दैट टुमारो. आज नहीं है वो, मे बी आज शाम तक आ जाए, बट आई हैड टू फिल्म दिस वीडियो एंड मुझे ये फेस पे लगाना ही था, फेस मास्क. Okay guys, so it's done. I'll wait for 5-10 minutes and just go and have bath, wash my hair and wash my face and that's it. So yes, यही एक simple सा thing था which I wanted to talk with every one of you over there and learn something and just motivate yourself and keep your mental health as your priority. And yes, that was all for today. If you have any more questions, you can just DM me on Instagram or just put that in the comment section, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yes guys, if you guys are planning any of the trip or anything, वहाँ से आने के बाद skin color change हो जाता है, hair damage हो जाता है, you can just do these things and just pamper yourself and take care of yourself. yes, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. And see you in next video. Bye bye. I upload my new videos every week, so you'll get something new to see every week. Do subscribe and follow me on my social medias. Very important. Bye bye.